Hi students, welcome back. Hope all are studying properly. But when I see that video views, it is decreasing by day. So don't lose the interest because your annual exam may not be there, okay, but your competitive exam in the 2022 is not cancelled. Remember this. It is not cancelled. Only your annual exam are cancelled over there. So keep that 2022 as a target and study well. Simply don't go wander here and there. You know outside what is the situation. So going outside and bringing corona to home is not at all good. Be at home, work hard, keep 2022 as the target and accordingly study well. So in this video I am going to discuss how to take the logarithm and how to take the anti-logarithm. First I will explain how to take the logarithm with the logarithm book. This will be there for your annual exam. But in the competitive exams, logarithm book or log paper will not be given to you. So without the logarithm table, you have to solve the problems. So that also easy way I will tell you. First we will see how to take the logarithm with the log book only. So before taking the logarithm, you have to see that when you take the logarithm, there are two terms. One is called as characteristic. The another is called as mantissa. This part you have to remember. Say how to write the characteristics. Say 2.1 is there. Before the decimal, how many digits are there? Only one digit. So characteristics becomes 0. 21.1. How many digits are there? 1, 2. Before the decimal, not total digits. 2 only. So 1 less, 1 point. 211.1. How many digits before the decimal? 3. So 1 less, 2 point. 2111.1. How many digits? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 point. This is how to write the characteristics. Now 0.211. How many digits are there? No digit, only 0 is there. So I will write bar 1. Now 0.0211. So before the decimal, I don't have any digit, non-zero digit we don't have. And after decimal also, there is 1 0 is there. So I will write it as bar 2. So if it is 0.00211, before nothing, after that there are 2 zeros. So I will write it as bar 3. This is how to write the characteristics. First, note it properly. How many digits are there? Less than 1. But if the 0 is there, I have to go with the less than 1 is minus 1. But here, it is after the decimal also 0 is there. So minus 2. Double zeros are there, minus 3. Like this you have to continue. So for this, what is the characteristic now? 2021.1. For this, what are the characteristics? 4 digits, so 3 points. 189. For that, 2 point will be the characteristic because there are 3 digits. 7777. 4 digit are there, so 3 points. 0.1789, no digit are there, so bar 1. I think you understood this, how to write the characteristics. Now, after writing the characteristics, I have to write a decimal. Then, after decimal, what I write will be the matrix of part. After the characteristics, write the decimal point. Then, what you write will be the matrix of. To know that, you have to open the logarithm book. See here, I have a logarithm paper with me. And what is that? Just see here. It contains logarithm with 0 to 1, 0 to 9, then again mean difference 1 to 9. Just see this. So, open the logarithm page, not the anti-logarithm page. Open the logarithm page. In that we will find in 1 10 to 54 or 64, 10 to 54, top 0 1 2 3 like this 9, then again mean difference 1 to 9 we find, and in each boxes there is written 0.0411 or 1523 etc. the values, and this will be written as the matrix. Calculate the value of log 781.1. See, for this value I have to calculate the logarithm value. So, just here, characteristics should be written first. There are 3 digits, so 2 points. Now what you do is, open the logarithm page and in the side, left hand side, move up to 78. Move up to 78. Okay, I got 78 here. And after moving to up to 78 here, in the 78 in the left hand, then I have the next number is 1. So move in the 1, in the top, in the 1. Where this 78 and 1 meet each other, what the value is that? Just see that. That 78 and 1, where it meet each other, what the value is that you have to go for? It was 8, 9, 2, 7. So 8, 9, 2, 7 is the value. Still not completed. Why? This one is there. Now, move on to the right side. Right side. There is a mean difference. In that, see the 1. And extend that one. Where this meets this 78, what the number is that you see. Where they meet each other, the number is only 1 only. So this one should be added to this. It is 2.8928 will be the logarithm of 781.1. 781.1 will be 2.8928. Next problem, calculate the value of log 0.9832. Now, no digit, no non-zero digit, so bar 1. Now, in the left hand side, go up to 98. I moved up to 98. Then 3 is written in the top, go up to 3. What the value where the 98 and 3 meet each other? Just see that. 9926. 9926. That's still not over. 2 is there. Move on to the mean difference where it means the 98. See that what is the value is there? Where it means the value of 98, that is 1. So add that 1 to this. So bar 1, 99 to 7. This will be the log value for this. Calculate the value of log 500.1. So characteristics 3 digits, so 2 points. Move up to 50 in the left. In the log table, move up to 50 in the logarithm page. Then 0. In the 0, see that what is the value is that? So 50 and 0, the value is 50 and 0, the value is 6990. 6990. And in the mean difference, here see 1 is that. So see in the mean difference where this 50 means that mean difference, then 1, just see that what is the value? 1 is that. So add to this, it is 2.6991 is the answer. Now I have to calculate for 50.01 for this log, you see. Now what do you do? There are 2 digits, so 1 point. Rest is the same. The 97 will be 6990 and 1 should be added, 1.6991. So taking or seeing the magnitude part of it is the same whether it's 50.01, 5.001, 500.1 or 5001 also. Magnitude will be the same. Only the characteristics changes. Log of 5001. So again, go up to 50. Before that, write down the characteristics. 4 digits, so 3 points. 50 and 0. Where the meter here? What is that you see? I have 6990. And move up to 1. I have 1. So add that one. So 3.6991. Log of 5001, I got it as 3.6991. Now log of 50.01, log of 5.001, log of 0.5001, log of 0.0501. See this part after decimal, what do you call it? The Mandisa 6991, 6991, 6991, 6991 will not change. Only the characteristics changes because 2 digits, so it is 1 point. Here only 1 digit there, 0 point. Here no digits, so bar 1. After the decimal also there is a 0, so bar 2. If at all, log of 500.1 is that, it is 2.6991. This is how to go for this. So what you do? In the main table, in the left, which number is that, up to that you move. Then take the one more digit of that next digit here, and the next digit you have to see the mean difference. This is how to take the logarithm. Practice it. How to take the anti-logarithm? See, if positive value, its anti-logarithm should be taken. One method should be used. If for a negative value, you have to take a anti-logarithm, is another method you have to use. Because anti-logarithm of a negative value, directly if you take, it ends with the infinity. So directly you should not take. So you see that. Calculate anti-logarithm of ये 50.8991. See, when I have to take the logarithm for this figure, whole value should be taken. But when I take the anti-logarithm, characteristic should be left out. Don't use the characteristics to take the anti-logarithm. Only the mantissa part you have to take. Only this part you have to take, it is the mantissa part. For this you have to take the anti-logarithm, and characteristic should be written as power sub 10. I repeat, anti-logarithm should be taken for the mantissa part, and the characteristic should be written as power sub 10. Means it should be multiplied to the value what you are getting here with the power sub 10. So you see now. So your characteristic is 50. So left out. Now 6991. Open the anti-logarithm page. I repeat, anti-logarithm page. Don't make the mistakes. And what you do is go up to 0.89, not 0.08. Anti-logarithm start from 0, not from 0.10. See that properly. 0. So move up to 0.89. Then see here, 9 is there. In the top, go up to 9. Where this 0.89 and the 9 meet each other, see the value. What is the value that? See that. 0.89 and 9, when they meet each other, the value is 7926. 7926. Now, mean difference, you go up to 1. When they meet each other, what is the value that? Just see that. 8, 9 and the 1, when meet each other, value is 2. That value after this, 7928. Anti-logarithm taking is over for that. Now what is this? See here, from the left, immediately after the first digit, put the decimal. Again, while reading, from the left, immediately first digit, put the decimal and write this as power sub 10 multiplied to this value 10 to the power 50. So this characteristic should be multiplied as power sub 10 to the obtained value. B. 3.6441. For this you have to take the anti-logarithm. So what you have to do? Leave out the 3 characteristics. Go up to 0.64. Move up to 0.64. And see that up to 4 you move here. 6, 4 and 4. Where they meet each other, what the value is there to see that? Value is 4406. 4406. Make it. Then in the mean difference, move to the 1 and the value is 1 only. 4407. Now exactly after first digit, put a decimal from the left, not from the right. Not from the right, from the left. And write this as power sub 10 bar to 4998. 4998 bar 2. For this you have to take the anti-logarithm. So again, only consider this value. Move up to 0.49. So in the anti-logarithm you go for 0.49. Then move up to 9 also. The next digit is 9. So move up to 9. What the value is that? Where this 4 9 meet that? Just see that. 9156. 9156. Now, in the mean difference, move up to h and see what the value is there. When that means the h, the value is h. Add that. 9164. Now, again, same procedure. Immediately after the first digit, put the decimal and write this as powers of 10 as 10 to the power minus 2. Bar 2 is 10 to the minus 2. So 9.164 into 10 to the minus 2. Bar 8 7769. For this you have to take the anti-logarithm. What do you do? Move up to 0.77 and in this move up to 6 and see what is the value. 7 and 6 9. 7 and 6 when they meet each other there. When they are extended over there, we are getting the value as 5 9. Yes, here 7 I get the value as 5970. 5970 value is there. Now in the mean difference, what the value is there? You see that the value is 12. So add that 12 to this 5982 and put the decimal and write this as powers of 10 to the power minus h. I hope you understood how to take the anti-logarithm also. Next one, anti-log of minus 2.8439. See, anti-logarithm of minus 2.8439 will end with infinity. So, don't directly take anti-logarithm if minus something is there. First convert them into the bar, then take the anti-logarithm. Otherwise, it will end with the infinity. So, what it is, anti-logarithm of minus 2.8439. For this, add 1, subtract 1. Add 1, subtract 1. And you see, for the minus 2, go for this minus 1, it becomes anti-logarithm of bar 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is the bar 3 now. Now, from the 1.00, which one? This plus 1. Subtract this 8439. 8439. So write that only the matrix are 1561. Now for the 1561, take the anti-logarithm now. Anti-logarithm of bar 3 1561. What do you do? Go for up to 0.15 and go up to 6. Where they are joining each other, just see that what the value in the anti-logarithm page. 156. What the value? 1432. 1432. And in the 1, it is 0 only. So 1532. Put the decimal and write this as powers of 10, 10 to the power minus 3. This is how to calculate the anti-logarithm. Practice it. Any doubt, then contact me. Now, for the competitive exam, how to get the logarithm or the anti-logarithm values? It is not exact value, approximated values. Because usually they will not mention the values also there, the anti-logarithm values, and you will not be able to use logarithm or the anti-logarithm papers. I want to get the equivalent constant k. Anti-logarithm of n e naught by 0.059 is the formula is there. Some example, there is anti-logarithm of 2 into 1.1 volt divided by 0.059. Because in the Daniell cell, n is the number of electron transport, is 2 only. Zinc is giving 2 electron, copper is taking 2 electron, so number of electron transfer is 2 only. And Daniell cell produces EMF of 1.1 in the redox reaction initially. So anti-logarithm of 2.2 divided by 0.059, anti-logarithm of 37.288. Options given. See, option given are this one. 1.8 into 10 minus 37, 1.8 into 10 over plus 37, 2.8 into 10 over plus 37, 4.8 into 10 over plus 37. How to solve this? Till this I know now. I have to take the anti-logarithm. Before solving further, just remember logarithm and anti-logarithm are opposite actions. Say log of 2 is 0.3010, anti-logarithm of 0.3010 is 2 only. It's the opposite action. This concept you have to remember. And remember, I will tell you only few logs that you should perfectly remember, then approximated value for other you can get it over there. From the 4 given options you can choose that which is the correct option also. So which are they? Log 2 0.3010, that you have to remember. Log 3 0.4771. Log 4 no need to by heart, because log 4 can be written as log 2 square, which is 2 log 2, and the log 2 you know, so it is 2 into 0.3010 which is equal to 0.6020. Then log 5 is 0.6990. Log 6 no need to by heart, it is log of 2 into 3, which is log 2 plus log 3, and we know the values log 2 and log 3 and get the value. Then log 7 you have to by heart, 8451. Log 8 again no need to by heart, because log 8 can be written as log 2 cube, which is equal to 3 log 3, 3 log 2. So log 2 you know, so multiply by 3, 0.9030. Then log 9 can be written as log of 3 square is equal to 2 log 3, is equal to 2 into 0.4771. So I asked you to by heart only log 2, log 3, log 5, log 7, and have that the application factor bit. How to get the log 4? It is 2 log 2. Log 6, it is log 2 plus log 3. Then log 8, 3 log 2. Log 9, 2 log 3. This application, what you know? You should know. With this approximated value, you can get it over there. So now see that I have to take for the 0.2881. I have to take the anti-logarithm for the 0.2881. One part. See here, my value what is obtained over here should have the powers of 10 as 37. Just here, 10 over 37, 10 over 37, 10 over 37. So this option cannot be the answer at all. I neglected it. I eliminated it. Because characteristic should be written as powers of 10. So one answer neglected. Now 2881. See, log of 2 is 0.3010. Anti-logarithm of 3010 is 2. And here see, it is less than 3010. It is less than 3010 means my answer in that before the decimal I should have a value less than 2. 1.8, it is 1 is less than 2. It is 2. 2 cannot be because 2 is there means I should have had 3010. So this is neglected, this should be the answer. That should be the answer. This is how to identify the answer without the logarithm book. It's an approximated one. It's not 100% this one. The exact answers. Approximated, but I have eliminated. And remember, elimination with the proper concept. It's not like I don't want to eat idli, so I will eat chapati. I don't want to eat chapati, I will eat dosa. It is not your choice. Remember this. Based on the concept, you go for deletion of the answer. It's difficult to remember from 0.00 to 0.99. Every anti-logarithm, every logarithm from 10 to 99, remembering is not easy. So you can do this. See. Some other problem, I might have to take the logarithm for 2153. 2153. I had that log of 2 is equal to 0.3010. Log of 3 is equal to 0.4771. Log of 5 is equal to 0.6990. Log of 7 is equal to 0.8451. This table. Now see here. 4 digits. 4 digits before the decimal means characteristic is 3. What happened there? This one is neglected. This one also neglected. Now see here. 3189, 3.4891. Both are in the 3 only. Now see here, log of 2 is 0.3010 and I should have for the 2153 means more than 2. So my answer should be 0. Log of 2 is 0.3010, log of 3 is 0.4771. So within this range the answer should be there. Within this range, the answer should be there. And remember, 4891 is crossing this. It is crossing the 3. Means if it is 3053, etc. only the chances, whereas it is 2153. So the value cannot cross 0.4891. It cannot cross that because I don't have a 3 here. I have only 2153. So it cannot cross this. Means the answer should be this only. This is neglected over here. This is neglected over there. This is how to go for that approximate answer. I will continue that.